everybody. I'm Walt Throne from Walt's Hobby Town in Syracuse, New York. I'm retired. I've been involved with NRHSA since the day one. And what NRHSA means to me, it's about the people.
I'm David Creed with Career of America. I think it's one of the most fabulous venues in which for manufacturers and retailers can get together. A lot of collective energy comes out of this. And we think it's the best format for retailers like us who are in the hobby market.
Hey, I'm Kimberly Franklin with B&B Hobby Shop in Grayson, Georgia. And just want to tell you that NRHSA, for me, is a place to come and talk to other dealers, to realize that I'm not alone in this. And have fun. We get hands-on, we can see everything that we're selling, and actually just, it's a good thing to
do. Rotating mains, that's pretty sweet.
The friendships, the relationships that have been developed not only with other hobby retailers, but with the manufacturers and the distributors of the industry. And we all have a passion to make this industry successful.
These magnets, they're not like kids' toys, you know, so it's something that is for an older crowd, and that's exactly the people that are here. It's the hobby people.
And we are officially launching it now here at the show. That's why it makes being here at the show so important, is because our retailers have an opportunity to see it up close and in person.
And we come down here, we see people we've seen for 30 or 40 years. We can't wait to do it. And this organization has just been absolutely incredible in creating that atmosphere. Thank you.